Good afternoon, team. I'm just hanging out in the search pit of the new attraction. I wanted to show you something cool. Well, first off, we really didn't get a great look at the search pit, but here it is. Everybody always asks what these are, these gray things on the bottom of the pipe. These are what we call anti-vortex plates. And what they do is create a path where the water cannot create a vortex. Simple as that, right? All right. Each one of these valves controls the drain. So if we have an area where we kind of want it to pool, we can actually do that. We can adjust those and have it pull just a little bit if we want. We have not decided whether we want to do that. This summer we did not. Okay. Now, one thing I wanted to show you that's brand spanking new, they finally was able to get it installed, is you can see down there, this is actually the drain. This is to drain. So we could drain the entire pit, and then what's cool is they built this little sump hole, so we could drain the surge tank 100%. Now this is the only one we have where it's actually a worm gear valve. So this is really nice, and it's going to make life a little bit easier for us. Right now it's set to open, and then we can shut it, but it'll make things a little bit easier for us if we need to drain the surge tank. And we can actually, what's nice about this, we can control it a little bit more, because we've got a worm gear valve. And of course the valve is all the way down here. Now you see how the pipe's open over here? Okay, the pipe being open right here is really about overflow. So let's say it rains and the surge pit just gets way overfilled, it'll drain out there, okay? So we're not having to really do a lot of drain out, maybe just a little bit. Because if we actually allow it to overflow, then it's actually going to create a pool within the actual pool, and this is sort of a splash pad. So we don't want it to do that, okay? Unless we're forcing it with one of these valves. But for now, it's just a once we put the water through the splash pad and the slides, it comes back to the surge tank immediately. So that's what that is. We have them in all the surge tanks. We were just waiting for this to get installed. Unfortunately, we didn't have the parts before we had to fill the pool and get it certified and commissioned and all that. So we had to wait. But as you can see, everything's winterized in here. Surge pit get a little bit of rainwater in it, nothing too bad. We'll come and wash it out, of course. But anyway, that's all I have for you today. Hope you guys are doing well. We'll talk to you in the next one. Take care. Bye.